Hi, I'm Sandy from sandybreckenridge.com, and I'm here today because I have a story I'd like to share with you about something I created. It's a fairy tale about becoming an artist, so let's begin. If I could only become an artist, I'd wake up each day and dream up ways to play. I'd have more fun, make some new inspiring and creative friends. But where would I find the time? I already have quite the to-do list, and I really don't have any artistic talent. And, like I said, have limited time for fun. And I'd probably make a big mess. Instead, I think I should stay productive by doing what I already know I can do. And what if I'm not very good at it and people laugh at my art? Allowing and willingness. Well, hi. Who are you? I'm a wise owl sent here to help you open your mind to possibility. The cauldron of an artist is as wide and deep as infinity. You know, there's no right way. There is no wrong way. There's just your way. The journey of life is art, and art is life. Art is a diamond with many facets. You're already creating every single day. Can you wonder what you'll discover when you are willing to play like all your friends in the park? Stay curious. Yeah, but I don't think I have the ability. I've learned I have a left brain mind but lack a right brain talent, you know? And being an artist would require so much learning, and I bet I'd look just like an amateur. Plus, maybe I'm too old or set in my ways and should just keep tooting my own horn. You lack trust in your capacity or willingness to learn. What if you stay curious? Could you move toward what excites you instead? Like strolling through a field of flowers and noticing all the colors and patterns in each blossom. Could you notice the aroma of a cup of your favorite beverage? Or perhaps take in all the colors and shapes of the stones by a riverbank. If you can remain curious, creativity will follow. Curiosity is about what may appear on the horizon, while being fixed is about what is past. A way to possibility. Yeah, but what if I waste my time and take too long and I don't learn anything of value? What if I dislike what I create or it has no use? I'm not sure I'm going to be good enough. Oh, I see. Your self-judgment is very active. Oh, just a sec. There's someone here who wants to share and is whispering a message for you in my ear. Oh, yes, your judgment about the process of creating wants to protect you from feeling bad. But what if there was a better way? What if in each creative action you take, you were to discern instead? Discernment is very clever. It keeps you moving forward toward what you like. This way, when you create, identify with what you like rather than what you don't like. Keep doing that. Find what you enjoy in each creative action and do more of the same. Yeah, but there's so much to learn. And I need art supplies, materials, and everything just costs so much money. I don't know how to acquire the means to get all the needed items to take the first step. Yes, there is much to learn. And as you're discovering, learning can be pretty dang enjoyable. Discovery is like looking through the eyes of a child. Be like a child and start right where you are today. Remember, the most fundamental and unified elements of art and design can be discovered while playing simultaneously. There's no need to invest a lot of money. Your journey as an artist starts where all art begins. Color, shape, textures, lines, and even doodles. You can visit the App Store and download free or affordable drawing, painting, and creative apps on your phone, iPad, or computer. You can buy an inexpensive art notebook, art journal, pens and pencils, and take pictures for inspiration. Art supplies can be affordable. Look for fantastic items in the kids department to use while learning and practicing. And here's the most exciting news of all. I'd like to point you to a free online course to help you build artistic skill while having a fun and creative adventure with some of your new friends. With a single click, you'll find the free course includes 14 detailed tutorials. You'll build skill and knowledge as a foundation for what follows in your creative life simultaneously. Just visit sandybreckenridge.com/design-tutorials/webpage. Scroll down to the Graphic Design Basic Elements series. You'll find each lesson includes visual learning guides, art exercises, learning resources, and downloadable materials. You'll discover where all art begins while moving towards what you love. I look forward to seeing you there. The end. Well, I'm glad you watched, and thank you so much. Click on the More tab so that you can see the video description and you can get clickable links to the course and other details. And again, thanks for watching. I hope I see you at my website. Bye.